Welcome to Healthy Beginnings Initiative, and I am Hilda, your lactation counselor and your transformational genomic wellness consultant. Today, on this video, let us crack the importance or the similarity between breastfeeding versus obesity prevention. So, let us consider this one question. Have we noticed childhood obesity on the rise today in our generation? Well, yes, it is. And the reason is lack of breastfeeding. So let us deep dive into this video and understand how breastfeeding is connected with obesity prevention. That too at its early states, right from the where the baby has been born. So breastfed babies versus formula fed babies. Do you think there's a difference? Yes, very much there is a difference. Breastfed babies, they learn self-regulation or they learn when to stop once they are full. If you have noticed how a breastfeeding baby suckles at the breast, we can consider the baby suckling at the breast. So we have noticed that the baby needs to open his mouth wide. The chin will be touching to the baby's the chin will be touching to the mother's breast, and the mouth will be wide open, and the areola will be seen more on the top than rather than down, and the baby will be having a wide mouth open. These are the four signs of a good latch. So when the baby is attached upon the areola part and not on the nipple, the baby is able to squeeze upon the areola and let the milk come into the baby's mouth. So, whilst doing this, there is a rhythmic process of sucking and then swallowing, in which the baby does this in a smooth process. During this, it regulates the baby to stop when the baby's stomach is full. So, we have noticed that when the mom is having colostrum, during the first 3 to 5 days of delivery, the baby will take almost 15 to 20 minutes each feed. But while the mature milk comes in after 5 days, the baby will be suckling on the breast for almost half an hour on one side and another half an hour on the other side, making him have a full tummy. Now, what happens with babies who are formula fed or drinking from the bottle? When we use the bottle and we tilt the bottle, the milk just flows from the nipple. So when we give a bottle to the baby has no self regulation, and instead, if the baby's size of the stomach, which is the size of a cherry, almost 5 to 7 ml, the baby will be consuming the milk almost 15 to 20 or even 30 ml, because the baby is not aware about its regulation in its stomach. So this makes the formula fed babies or the bottle fed babies more prone for obesity or over consumption of the milk. Also, if we noticed, while the baby is on the breast, the baby needs to do work, meaning rhythmic swallowing, suckling and swallowing, and accordingly fill his stomach. But this doesn't happen when the baby is taking the bottle, since the baby is only swallowing the milk and he doesn't have to do any work. So, also breast milk, they have certain hormones called the leptin and the adiponectin. This regulates the fat storage in the baby. Also, formula led babies, they have higher risk of obesity and metabolic syndromes. This all seen versus breastfeeding versus formula fed. So exclusive breastfeeding, it lowers the risk of obesity even into later adulthood. So breastfeeding, it teaches the child healthy metabolism right from the start when it's born from the mother. So how powerful is this, and how we can use this to help our generations combat obesity right from the smaller age? If you found this video powerful and informative, do share it with your friends and family, and comment below obesity prevention in the comment section. And let us follow each other more for such powerful videos yet to come. See you in the next video.